Hey guys, and welcome back to Mill RC. Today I'm going to be talking about our upgraded Seagull models RV8. Well, maybe not upgraded, but some modifications here. As you can see, we made a cut here in the door, and we put a different motor on it. I have a video maybe a year, maybe 2 years back, man, it was quite a while ago, but of a build video, and this airplane originally sporting this motor out here. That Sato 124 stroke is what was previously on it. But that fuel right there is getting pretty expensive, so we decided to go the gas two-stroke route. And this right here is a JC Evo 30cc motor. Pretty old. I don't think you can even buy these anymore. I was searching around the internet and almost a little unheard of. So, but I mean, it's the basic. It still works off the same two-stroke gas motors like a DLE30. Here's your ignition module that goes to your spark plug. You know, pretty simple. Or pretty. It's the same thing as a DLE, so it's not hard to figure out. But anyway, because we're sporting this 30cc motor, we did have to go to a bigger prop. We were swinging a 16.8 previously, yeah, 16.8, and then we're now running a 18x8, so that's good. One thing I encourage you guys, you can see here, we made this bay, and you can see these screw mounts right here. And we did that just because we if you were to buy this plane, which I don't even know if you can buy this airplane anymore, but you can guys check online. That's the only thing I can give you if you still want to try to buy this airplane. Any of you guys, get as much weight as you can up in the front, because this is a very tail heavy design. On the forums and online, everybody who owns this plane has to add some form of nose weight, and we're not the only ones. Or we're not the only one that doesn't have nose weight. We got some weight up here. So encouraging all your battery, or putting your batteries as far forward and everything as far forward as you can get, is going to be the best bet for you, because then you can, reduce the amount of nose weight that you're going to need to put in the nose. Other than that, it's pretty good. For batteries, I'm running a Lifey on the servos and a 6-volt NiCad on the ignition. It's been working pretty flawlessly. We have flown it once, and it's does pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and get a flight video then for you of this new engine on it, and then be able to get a good flight video in. So yeah, see you then. Alright, well, we got the Seagull models RV8 out on the flight line. This is with the new gas motor, the Evo, JC Evo 30, so it's a little bit windy and in a crosswind, so we're going to try to see if this guy here can pilot this thing with enough skill. Anyway, we're going to go get the motor started and get it flying. See you then. Alright, got the motor running. Go ahead and see what she does. Absolutely brilliant takeoff. Of course you did. Okay, where are you at? I gotta find you here. Bright sunny day. There we are. So how's it handling the wind?
Pretty good. Kind of got up out of that really rough stuff, out of the way of the shot. Not much turbulence, so
We're gonna say that. Well, we gotta talk about something. How's the power?
really good.
You're gonna have to talk louder because this microphone is kind of poor.
This is the supposedly a 20cc size airplane, but a 30cc actually floats around really nice. You have vertical capability, 30cc.
So basically, we can have a lot of fun with this now because we have a little bit bigger a set.
You have lots of power to do all kinds of aerobatics. A little bit faster, but that never hurts.
When you have wind like this, it'll cruise really nice into the wind. Into the wind, anyway.
So you can see it goes vertical. Really
It can
nice.
still roll. And that's without ailerons and prop wash. I'm gonna hope my contrast on this light settings on this camera aren't set too high. It's pretty good. I'm gonna cut. Flat pass.
It's some ridiculous wind.
So he'll probably be able to hover. Oh, I'm just kidding. Once he gets closer, I'll zoom out. Get you a respect of how slow he is with the ground. There we go.
Alright, so that was half flat.
Oh really? That wasn't even full?
No, I didn't.
I don't know, yeah, you might not want to land with full. Yeah. Do our special maneuver. Oh. For the camera, you know?
Pretty nasty cross.
Yeah, I don't know how he's gonna do this.
It doesn't drop much when you do a roll.
In other words, for what this is, it's pretty axial. Right into the sun. Oh, pretty good deal. I'm gonna get out of the way. We're gonna attempt landing this in this pretty nasty crosswind that we have going on. It's not full crosswind, but there is some, as you can tell. I was gonna say, don't hit me. Oh.
Alright, so that wasn't bad.
He's probably going to step somewhere else to do this. Now he's landing on half flat because there's so much wind. Cut your motor, cut your motor.
Here we go.
Nice, we got it on the ground in one piece. I thought we talked about that. You forgot, of course you did. I don't even know if I got that on video because I was nervous.
Why?
Well, I mean, I hope I did. I don't know if I did or not. It did? Had positive steering? Yeah, that's another upgrade we did before we end the video. We changed out those stupid springs to rods, so we actually have some steering now.
Yeah.
I guess we still have it. It still flies.
We're a little short on runway, as you can tell, but
Well, he needs to cut, this pilot here needs to cut the motor when he lands. But he forgot about that, supposedly.
well, I landed halfway down the runway, too.
Well, why'd you do that? Oh, I get it. It was hard.
As soon as you're on the ground, just...
Yeah.
I should really change this to a switch.
What?
The
I know, the button.
Well,
It's hard to reach.
I'm not saying about cutting it off completely, just full idle. Just,
Oh, yeah, I did that.
you were high idle. You touched down, you kept high idle for another good 8-10 feet, and finally you cut it.
This is how normal debriefings go.
Like
Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching Mill RC, and tune in next time.